Everyone, this is Krupa. Welcome back to my channel. Since it's a new month, I thought I would share the books I'm planning to read in July. I have picked a mix of genres this time and I'm really excited about all of them. Some of these books have been on my TBR for so long and I think July is finally the month I'll get to them. So here are the books I'm reading this month. First, I'm picking this book called Hot Ice. This is from Cherry Adair. I don't know why I picked this book, but I randomly picked this book from Dubai Mall, I guess. I've also heard that Cherry Adair is great at, showing the stories in a thrilling adventures, also giving the strong chemistry between the main characters. Already halfway through it and only these many pages are left. I bought this book only because I thought there is some kind of romance and that spicy romance. But as I started reading, I was like, Guru, romance yelli there. And then eventually the story caught my grip and I really started liking the story. And only these many pages are left and I'm so excited to know what happens next. So actually the two characters are like the kind of macho, but it also about some kind of mystery, some solving about the case of the country. It's high level case. So the two characters come together who are not supposed to fall in love, but they fall in love, and the chemistry, what happens between them is really good, and they both come together to solve this case. It's an adventurous case which unfolds and I'm really excited to complete this book. I'll give the review of this book in my next video. I'm not disclosing now, so you'll have to wait and watch for that. Even I'm excited what it unfolds. Next book is this Love Unwritten from Lauren Asher. So I picked this book only because I've been in the mood of good romance. Also, I've heard that Lauren Asher's books are always fun and emotional. So I'm hoping that this one gives me full of butterflies and that slow moving chemistry. So yeah, so my next book is this Five Little Pigs from, I don't know how to spell the author, I'm so sorry. I don't know much about this book, but I'm expecting some kind of family drama, secrets, and story which keeps me guessing. It also sounds like the movies Knives Out and Glass Onion, if you have watched. So I really loved those movies. So I thought this book might also be kind of that story. So I thought, let me try this one. So I'll give you the review of this book as well. So my next and the last book is The Palace of Illusions from Chitra Banerjee. I have wanted to read this book from so long. It's the retelling of Mahabharata from Draupadi's perspective, and I've heard it's beautifully written. And I'm too much fond of reading, mythological kind of stories. Although I've never read any mythological book, I've only watched through movies or series. But so I'm really excited and I'm really looking forward to experience this in a different way. So that's it. So these are the 4 books I'm planning to read in July month, and I'm really excited for all these books and I can't wait to finish all of them. Also, I will try my best to finish 4 books in a month because I've never done it before. Yes, I have finished reading books in 2 to 3 days, but these are 4 books which I'm taking as a challenge to complete in this month itself. So if I do complete these books, I'll be giving the review of all of these books in my next upcoming videos. So and if you have any books in your mind which you are planning to read in July, please do comment below and do subscribe to my channel for more book reviews. Let's create a book community together, all book lovers and readers out there. Bye bye.